Jochiw thieth mawuok kaunti ma Siaya mabende tiyo e bwo kuba thieth mar Universal Healthcare okwayo gavana makono James Orengo mondo ochop singo ne mar ndikogi e tich e yo mongirore. Kare gitwag gi jofwambo machiegni gi apis gavana no mayudore e boma ma Siaya e kinde mane gichopo kanyo mondo gichwal ne ywakgi. Jochiw thieth go kotelnegi Caleb Oginga kod Lorraine Abwire oyo kaka tend kauntino osebedo ka keto gi tenge e kinde ma gindiko ji tich ka bende giywago mibadhi mokwako chenro makamano. Omera ni moko kuom gi mahapgi ber oluong timnegi nonro mar tich idwaro mondo gol mit bilie korka ndikgi e yo ma ongirore.
As we are requesting for PNP, we are also requesting to be promoted, for we have served this county for almost 5 years. We have never received, the first contract ended with no gratuity, we were not paid, and it was renewed with the same terms, and that is what we are here for. We want to see the governor and we want to let him know that we are not on duty until he fulfill what he promised.
Mimi ni community health assistant na nimekuwa kwa contract for the past 5 years with no gratuity, no allowances, no NSSF remittance. Saizi pia kitu yenye natusumbua sana na SHA pia haifanyi. Wengine wetu tunagonjeka but hatuwezi saidika.
The solution was that we will be given PNP, and then we were issued with some letters which does not add up to our job. So when we come here, unaambiwa you go and talk to Waziri, go and talk to CC of Health, but after we have talked to the governor and they have promised us that PNP, the next thing, it is not being fulfilled.
As the national government and the county, they should sit down and come up with a resolution for these things once and for all. Because we can't continue to suffer under contract. When we see our juniors, me, for example, there are people who have mentored, and now they are in PNP.